Morning, guys. This is my 8th day in Daikon. 3 days sprout. I don't think I show you much, but usually 7 days is so thin it because the labor here is watermelon season. All the labor is tightened up, so we scheduled the 8th day. So this is pretty much how thinning. Pretty much plant 4 seeds to be safe. Somebody want to be famous. But pretty much there's 4 seeds to play insurance that they sprout evenly. Then we thin it out. Pick the strongest. This is how it looks before you thin it. There's 4 seeds. You can see it. All of them come out, like some spots. There's only 1 or 2 come out, and some spot that doesn't come out. So that's why we would plant 4 seed for insurance, because they can grow real fast, 3 days sprouts. So you replant seeds, it's hard for it to catch up. So that's why we planted insurance. But those rows haven't thinned out yet. And this row, we're thinning. They start thinning out. Finished 2, 4, 6 down the 7th row right now. I said labor here is king. Got them breakfast and sweet tea, lemon sweet tea. And yeah, here people don't mind sharing, so they're 1 cup to share the whole cooler. But women are much easier. They don't like. I think it's pretty busy day before we're getting breakfast. They prefer cash than buying a meal, because the ladies are more like the head of the household. They manage the money, so they penny pinch for the kids. So every penny counts. Guys here, we're just guys. Just feed us. We're not going to do all the calculations. So the guys, more like we have to buy a meal and the breakfast, lunch and dinner. But the woman is pretty much breakfast is in the air, because they come here early and they take the kids to school, so they can't cook. But like lunch and dinner, pretty much they prefer the cash, whatever value the meal is. We reimburse them for it in cash, so they can spend it how they like it. Okay. I fixed it. All that row looks bigger. I gained another extra 4 rows. Roughly a row, 100 over 100 kilo. That's probably over 200 pounds a row. So gain every inch I could. No wasting no space. And then try thin out the canal as much as I can. Can't do too much because rain season is gonna be flooded. Okay, that's it for the day, guys. Take care.